Time Machine is one of the most deceptive boards within our lineup. It is extremely fast down the line, and when the board's sitting on the shelf at the shop, it may not look that way until you get it out behind the boat. You'll notice the rail of the board features a slightly turned up beveled rail, which transitions into a softer surf rail. The great part about that is it kind of sits in between a sharp SKIM style rail and a rounded surf rail. It provides just enough speed down the line, but still gives you that nice control that a round surf rail provides. On the base of the board, you'll notice this dual concave entry, which then kind of transitions into a flat area in the forebody of the board and then a 2-channel exit. Really what this lends itself to is an extremely efficient planing surface combined with the rocker line, allowing just seamless water flow underneath the board. That is one of the key parts of why this board is so fast when you're surfing. You'll notice a quad fin setup. We have our 2 RTM molded flux style fins with a future style removable box option, and then our 2 rear drop fins that provide just a little bit of bite. Totally customizable. If you like a board that's really locked in, get great bottom turns, you can ride it as the quad. If you want to remove these drop fins and just get maximum speed down the line, you can ride it just as the twin setup. You'll also notice that the board features a slightly wider tail profile. That wider tail profile, again, just generates a lot of push off the back foot. Again, kind of combining with the rocker line and with the contours of the base to make it just an extremely fast, responsive board. You'll notice on the top of the board it is a full cork top construction. This is the only board within the Hyperlite line with that cork construction. The really great part about cork is, unlike EVA, the more you use it, the grippier it gets. It's an organic material that as you ride the board and kind of create natural foot pockets and move back and forth, those areas get grippier. One thing that we did add a couple seasons ago was an EVA rear traction. Really just so you had that feel under your back foot, so you knew where you were in relation to the tail of the board. The Time Machine is full Durashell construction, just like some of the other offerings in our line. The great part about Durashell construction is it is an extremely lightweight, durable board that doesn't ding and crack like other handmade epoxy boards. But internally it has all the same features that those high-end boards have. It has a nice buoyant EPS core with all the fiberglass and resin content that make it very responsive underfoot. That's the Time Machine. Again, one of the most deceptive boards within the Hyperlite lineup. It definitely is the fastest board down the line of any board we offer. So perfect for any ability level, any size rider, anybody looking for a little added speed down the line.